Entrelec's IPX8 connectors are wire connectors for indoor and outdoor installations, designed with speed and ease in mind. Their installation displacement connector technology does not require wires to be prepared before the connection. Instead, just pick the right connector for the required wire size and use a pair of standard pliers to press down the button for mounting. Applications for these connectors range from street lighting to commercial refrigeration, due to their quick and easy installation. These compact devices have the added benefit of being very durable. They are IPX8 rated and are tested for up to 2 hours underneath 1 meter of water. Other features and benefits include color coding for easy wire size identification, compatibility with both solid and standard wires, 18 to 12 American wire gauge, transparent housing for easy visual inspection of IDC connection, bullet-shaped housing designed not to snag when pulled through conduits, built-in clips that allow grouping or side-by-side stacking of splices. For more information on Entrelec's IPX8 instant connectors, visit us at galco.com.